Up first, he spits fire with his words and moves. It's Raftar! She plays sweet and slays with it too. Jannat Zubair. First, he charms, then disarms. Sahil Salatia. And she stuns with fashion and fearless flair. One and only, Urfi Javed. Welcome to all four of you to the first set of players. Welcome to the trailer launch of The Traitors. Raftar, मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे है. With all the dhoka going around, are we going to see a very different avatar and a cold-blooded shade of you?
सर ये जो लैंड है ना ये धोखेबाजों का है. ये ट्रेटर्स की जमीन है. तो जैसा देश वैसा भेस और जैसा क्रिमिनल वैसा केस.
Oh, man of viewers, request to hand over the mic to her. Thank you. Jannat, what is the one secret weapon that will help you survive in such a cutthroat game and filled with backstabbing and out-and-out dhoka?
I think my sweet and innocent looking face. People don't think twice before trusting me. And what they don't know is behind this innocent face, there's this person who's always 5 steps ahead of them. So I'm going to play my game, stay calm, and as soon as they put their guards down, checkmate.
Well, she's reinstating the fact looks are deceptive, but wishing you the best. Sahil, like the competition's going to be extremely intense and the stakes sky high. Do you think you'll be able to work your charm on this show?
Interesting. Now, I think charm doesn't work. It happens, first of all. But secondly, मेरे को आस्तीन में सांप पालने की बहुत आदत है, so I hope मैं वो escape कर पाऊँ. Because fingers crossed, I think I'm going to be very lucky this time.
We wish you the best and
Thank
thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
Urfi, my next questions for you is, अब ये जो है इस particular group में यानी कि रफ्तार, जन्नत, साहिल, इनमें से आपको सबसे बड़ा खतरा कौन लगता है?
मुझे सबसे बड़ा खतरा साहिल लग रहा है.
Hey, he's a
Sahil. I think Sahil is the biggest threat.
हाँ? वो तो हम 12 जून के बाद जानेंगे क्या क्या किया और क्या क्या हुआ है. But wishing you guys the best and thank you so much. Thank you. Let me get the mic from you. Thank you. His masked entrances have been making headlines for years. Raj Kundra. She is absolutely breaking hearts and breaking the internet. Elnaz Nurozi. Scintillating combination of Hollywood flair and Tollywood legacy. Lakshmi Manchu. His strategy hides behind stand up. You laugh and he's already won. Harsh Gujral. She might look calm, but she's got a quiet game brewing under that smile. Anshula Kapoor. Welcome to all 5 of you and wishing you the best for The Traitors. Raj, my first question's for you. How do you think your fellow players will perceive you and what's your strategy? क्या है planning इस game के लिए?
जब भी मैंने लाइफ में एक मास्क पहना है, सबको यही लगा कि ये बंदा मास्क के पीछे क्या छुपा रहा है. एक मिस्ट्री है, तो आई थिंक दैट मिस्ट्री माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम. ये कलयुग का शो है ट्रेटर्स. इस पे पता नहीं चलेगा दोस्त कौन और दुश्मन कौन एक मिनट में. यही स्ट्रैटेजी लेके आई एम गोना होप दैट जो मिस्ट्री है मेरे पीछे इट माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, करण सर शो होस्ट कर रहे हैं तो वो नेपो हस्बैंड वाला कार्ड तो ज़रूर यूज़ करूँगा.
Wish you the best. Elnaz, how far would you go to win and how important is it personally for you to win?
Well, winning for me is very important because I haven't crossed continents to break into one of the toughest industries to play it safe. So I'm going to go as far as I have to go, and I'm going to look good doing it, and I'm going to do everything to win forever in life.
And you fared extremely well so far. Wishing you the best. Thank you so much. Lakshmi, do you think you can win over friends and influence people?
I'm winning right here, standing in front of all of you. Very good morning. And influence, I've been influencing since some of these traitors knew what content was, darling. So I'm here to win and influence.
Thank you and wish you drama and laughs. Sounds like your stage. Now, इस शो में क्या आप प्लेयर्स को हंसाने वाले हैं या रुलाने वाले हैं? क्या प्लान है?
सर इस स्टेज पे इस शो में ना मैं हंसाऊंगा ना मैं रुलाऊंगा, मैं सिर्फ मारूंगा और बहुत लंबा मारूंगा. I am coming, the traitors. Thank you.
इसकी गूंज सुनाई देगी दूर दूर तक.
हाँ सर, मुझे तो आप भी ट्रेटर लग रहे हो.
चौथा नहीं है अभी तक 3 ही है सिर्फ. वो ढूंढना है कौन है, पर 12 जून के बाद. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. If I could request to hand over the mic. Anshula, would you be able to betray someone to go and get ahead in the game? Out and out.
You called me innocent and calm. I may look innocent and calm. I may look cute even. But acting to हमारे खून में है ना. And killing it with a little bit of confidence and killing it with a smile on my face, I think is my forte.
So you got all the elements right in place there. Wishing you the best and thank you so much.
you.
Thank you. I'm going to get the mic. Thank you. Thank you. All right, I hope. Well, the traitors में यही होता है. कौन किसकी जगह लेगा, कौन कब अपना पासा पलटेगा. You never know what happens here, and that's exactly what's happening right now on stage. He's an actor, model, singer, writer, and producer. Is there a role he is yet to play? It is Sudhanshu Pandey. The next one reads tarot, but expect her to reveal your fate just yet. Janvi Kaur. He mimics for fun, breaks the internet for real. Purav Jha. And she's sweet on the outside, savage on the inside. Jasmine Basin. Welcome to all 4 of you. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, Sudhanshu, my questions are first for you. Avatars, which avatar will be seeing of yours in the show? And also, will you be the villain or do you have something else up your sleeve?
I think this is a reality show. I'm going to keep it real. Just be myself. And my strategy is going to be not have a strategy. Just be myself. Basically, that is what it's going to be.
His voice is more than enough when he starts talking in there, right? So, but thank you and wishing you the best, Sudhanshu.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Janvi, my questions to you. You know, as a tarot reader, you're quite a mind reader to people reader too. So, do you think you're a threat to other players?
Thank you for your question.
ये एक धोखों का सा महासागर है एंड हर एक का धोखा देने का एक अपना स्टाइल है, तो हर धोखे से और हर एक के धोखे से कैसे बचना है, कैसे उसे डॉज करना है, आई थिंक दैट विल बी इन माय फेवर.
काफी तरीके और पैंतरे आप ऑलरेडी तैयार करके लाई. आप योर स्लीव्स, विशिंग यू द बेस्ट. बहुत बहुत
Thank you
शुक्रिया.
very much.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
पूरा पैरोडी तो आप कर लेते हैं, रियलिटी में सर्वाइव कैसे करोगे?
एक्चुअली एक्टिंग ही हर जगह करनी चाहिए और मैंने यहाँ भी वही किया है. तो आपको एक बहुत खास कैरेक्टर देखने को मिलेगा पूरव झा का, ठीक है? तो हर थर्सडे के लिए रेडी रहना. यस.
मुझे चेतावनी मिली है यहाँ पे. Ready, I'm absolutely ready, and so is everyone here. Jasmine, you know, जितने दोस्त के साथ आप इस गेम में आई हैं, क्या लगता है उतने ही लेके जाएंगी या उसमें कम होंगे या बढ़त होगी?
हो सकता है ज़्यादा के साथ जाऊं, बट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये रहा है कि गेम शो में दोस्त कोई नहीं होता, सब कॉम्पिटिटर होते हैं.
इस कंपटीशन में आपका स्वागत है और आपको बेस्ट विशेस. From poker faces to plot twists, this bunch is packing brains, bluffs and bold moves. Thank you so much to all of you and wish you the best. Thank you. I'll take the mic.